Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to block someone in Ludo King. So this will be for Android, iPhone and also the same type of process on the computer as I'll be explaining as well. So as you can see right now I'm in a game, so if for whatever reason you want to block an opponent in game, all you have to do is you want to click on their avatar profile picture thing right there. Then you'll see this come up and you see at the bottom left hand corner there's a block. You're going to want to click on that, and then once you've done that you can go back out of it and then they'll be blocked. They won't be able to send you messages or anything like that, and be able to play them again, etc, etc. So you can click on that, and if you want to unblock them, make sure you do it before the end of the game, and then you want to click unblock. And then pretty much that's going to happen. You can also block on the right hand side as well, like the presents coming over, eyes in, like the emojis, etc. That's how you block someone from sending them if that gets annoying for whatever reason. So you can unblock it as well. So click on that. So that's how it's done all at the bottom there. And if someone gets really annoying, you can also report the player as well. You can click report, and then it will say offensive name or offensive profile picture. You want to click on one of them, then click submit, and that will report the person. So if you're going to go out and do this potentially, leave a like on the video, subscribe for more videos like this, click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Ludo King game. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.